Let me give you my personal opinion on the Sony DSC-HX90, comparing it to a Sony A7 Mark III. Now, there are two different types of camera. For all the details and numbers, etc. that you want to know, you have the project description over here on the Amazon page, but I want to tell you my personal opinion and my human opinion and experience of this utilizing these two cameras and which one could suit you better. Here we have the Sony DSC-HX90, which is what we're gonna start with. It works absolutely amazing. So overall, compared to the A7 Mark III, which we're gonna go and evaluate in this video, this one is a little bit more small and more compact. It has a nice flip screen like this. If you are looking more for a vlogging type camera, probably this one would be better rather than the A7 Mark III. The A7 Mark III is a way more professional camera in terms of also being able to detach the lens and being able to attach any from 24-105 to the 2070. This one instead, the HX90, which is what you're looking at right now, does not have the possibility to change the lens. So that what you buy is basically what you get and you are stuck with. Yet it has different function, of course. This one has a more video probably potentially for recording yourself, which is super good if you're a blogger, if you're a YouTuber, if you make video content. The possibility of having the rotated screen and a 30x zoom as well is absolutely crucial, and it is way more lighter to take around with you. Like, it is super light and it is super nice to be able to fit in the pocket, take it out and record yourself. And these are some of the examples. For example, with the 30x optical zoom that you're able to see, it is actually really good. Like, you're able to see the quality at the beginning of the zoom. It's actually really good, and the screen itself is very nice, very high definition. You're able to shoot amazing quality pictures, and the fact that it has the rotating screen, in my opinion, it's even better, and it's one of the most important facts when it comes to the creation of the video. But switching to the A7 Mark III over here, this is a more complete camera in terms that, yes, you're able to record videos as well on it, but it's, in my opinion, a little bit more professional for video recording. Like, you have the beautiful switch screen like here. It does not go all the way up, so you're not able to see yourself. It is more for the pictures in terms that you are able to, for example, shoot at the level of your leg. You flip the screen and you're able to see it from the top. But with this camera, you have the possibility to implement different lenses, change lenses in this, depending on what you want to shoot, you're able to change the lenses. So it is a more particular camera in that way. So it's way more professional. This is like for high level photography. We got incredible ISO, we got resolution that is absolutely stunning, and the video also are amazing. And I would recommend this one more if you are towards the professional photography, or if you're looking more for a camera rather than a video camera, because this one can do both. Can record videos, which you're able to see here, amazing quality, which, yes, is also taken by the lens that you put into it, but it's a amazing camera for photos, amazing camera for videos. Yet the other one, the HX90, it does picture, but it is more for video creation, to see yourself, to create the videos that you want to go and create, which the A7 Mark III we're seeing now, it has a great capability. It is a little bit less portable in terms that the HX90 you're also able to fit in your backpack and in your pocket. The A7 Mark III, I would suggest you grabbing a bag simply because the lens is sensible and you want to be a little bit more careful with this one. But overall, they're two amazing cameras. Sony did an amazing job. And it just depends which one you want to go for and which type of photo or video you want to create.